So it says, in the given equation, k is a positive constant. The product of the solutions is 154, and we want to know the value of k. So the first step, we see that this is in factored form, and it's set equal to 0. So in this form, we know the solutions will be, to find the solutions, we just need to set each term equal to 0. Much like in a quadratic where we have two factors, all we have to do to find the solutions for x is to set each factor equal to 0, right? So in this equation, we just set each factor equal to 0 to find the value of x, which is the solutions. To find the value of k, we know that the product of the solutions are 154. We know 5x plus 11 is equal to 0. So 5x equals negative 11. We divide both sides by 5 to isolate x, and we end up with x equals negative 11 over 5. Just like in the first part, we just solve for x. Don't get carried away by k here. All we have to do is solve for x as we do. So if we subtract the square root of 5k plus 10 over to the other side of the equation, we just get x equals negative the square root of 5k plus 10. Now for the third solution, we set the third factor equal to 0, and then we isolate x. So if we add the square root of 5k plus 10 to the other side, we get x equals the square root of 5k plus 10. Now for the second step, the product of the solutions is 154. Now these are our individual solutions of the equation. If the product equals 154, then these three solutions multiplied together must equal 154. So this is the form of the equation, and the first thing that catches my eye is these two square roots. If we multiply them together, we simply pull out the negative. If we pull out the square root, we just get 5k plus 10. The negative 11 over 5 in front stays, and the product is 154. Now, since we're multiplying two negatives, this will equal, these two negatives will cancel, so we get 11 over 5 times 5k plus 10. At this point, this is just basic algebra, so all you have to do is distribute for this part of the equation. 11 over 5 times 5k is simply 11k. 11 over 5 times 10 is simply 22. At this point, we just solve for k. And finally, we divide both sides by 11 to get k. K is equal to 12. And that is our final solution.